Standing behind me, or actually sitting on the trailer behind me, is the beautiful Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. Let me show you why this boat is one of our favorite boats here, with it being like a go-kart, but also having the pedigree of the Boston Whaler heritage of it being unsinkable and really just a generational boat. Here at MarineMax, we are selling this 2027. She is available right now, 13 Super Sport, of course. We have the light blue gel coat, and a couple of the upgrades that I've done in this boat is I did love that blue bimini top. Traditionally, you'll see a black bimini, but I feel like it gives it that classic pop. In this boat, we do have a 40 Mercury on the boat, pushing this boat very, very quick and very reliable. Whenever we're talking about these Boston Whaler 13 Super Sports, they're super simple. You don't see any fuel lines, any throttle cables running on the inside of the hull, meaning she's a generational boat. You don't have a lot to maintain. Of course, you have to get this engine service every once in a while, but you keep her out of the sun, she's going to take care of you. She's a Boston Whaler. Over here at the helm, we actually did opt for these very nice bucket seats. Instead of just a platform down low, you can throw the throw cushion and sit on top of it, but with it being a Boston Whaler, go ahead and add those bucket seats. It really gives it that fine touch. Another upgrade that you'll see, and one of the few that's on this boat, is we have a nice igloo cooler with a foam topper. So you guys could throw 4 people in this boat legally, but me comfortably, I like to have 3. That gives everybody with a cushion underneath their butt. Here at MarineMax, this Boston Whaler comes with a Magic Tilt trailer, of course. I opted this boat with a large grab rail up front, gives you a nice backrest, but the biggest thing is this is a perfect boat to throw in your garage. So ripping her around everywhere is super simple, makes it easy to get in and out of the water, and really simple to hose it down from the outside and get her ready for the next trip out on the water. But my name is Jack Neely with MarineMax St. Pete. This is the Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport here at MarineMax St. Pete. And come on down to MarineMax, check her out.